If you're following our Global Economic Outlook series, hit subscribe to stay updated with new country releases. Cambodia's economic outlook for 2026 underscores a narrative of high productivity and resilient expansion, with macroeconomic indicators reflecting an economy that continues to grow, diversify and absorb labor even as global headwinds and structural adjustments shape output dynamics. After a robust expansion in 2024, Cambodia moved into a period where growth moderates from earlier highs but remains strong relative to many peers, illustrating productive capacity, expanding labor markets, controlled inflation, accommodative monetary policy, and prudent fiscal management that collectively underpin the Cambodia economy. Highly productive 2026 story. A primary measure of productivity is the GDP annual growth rate, which reflects sustained expansion in production, investment, and trade. Cambodia's real GDP growth accelerated in 2024, with output expanding by roughly 6.0%, driven largely by strong performance in garments, agricultural exports, and a resurgent tourism sector. In 2025, growth is projected to moderate but remain solid, with forecasts indicating expansion of around 4.8%, as domestic demand and broad economic activity persist amid external shocks that include trade disruptions and weaker remittance flows. For 2026, the economy is expected to continue expanding at a productive pace, with growth projected near 4.0% under current outlooks that weigh both cyclical influences and structural resilience. While the pace for 2026 is lower than the peak rebound, growth near 4% to 5% reflects a productive trajectory anchored in diversified activities rather than stagnation or contraction, demonstrating the ability of the economy to generate output even in moderation. A remarkably low unemployment rate is another hallmark of Cambodia's productivity story. Labor markets remain tight, with unemployment reported at around 0.27% to 0.3% in recent years, among the lowest globally. Although different data sources show slight variations, the official figures consistently point to near full employment conditions, indicating that labor resources are being effectively utilized. Such low unemployment signals that goods and services sectors are absorbing workers efficiently, even as growth moderates from previous peaks. In 2026, employment is expected to remain robust, with the labor market continuing to offer opportunities in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. A highly employed workforce supports household incomes and consumption, reinforcing domestic demand and strengthening the linkage between output growth and broad economic participation. Monetary policy contributes to a productive environment by maintaining stable financing conditions. The interest rate in Cambodia has remained low, near 0.44 to 0.5%, keeping credit accessible for firms and households. Such accommodative rates encourage investment, capacity expansion, and consumer credit, supporting productive activity. While low rates can raise concerns, Cambodia's policy balances credit growth with inflation control and financial stability. Inflation has been moderate and manageable, supporting predictable cost environments. After recent pressures, inflation settled in the low single digits near 1 to 3% through 2024-2025, with similar forecasts for 2026. Controlled inflation preserves real incomes, enables stable planning for firms, and reduces uncertainty. It also helps ensure wage gains translate into real consumption and savings, bolstering aggregate demand without eroding export competitiveness. Fiscal dynamics further enhance Cambodia's productivity profile. Public debt remains relatively low, with a debt-to-GDP ratio in the mid-20% range as of 2025. This manageable debt burden provides fiscal flexibility for essential services and investment in infrastructure, education, and health. Lower debt levels reduce crowding out effects on private investment, supporting long-term productivity. Sectoral dynamics illustrate why 2026 is likely to be productive. The garment industry continues to modernize and expand into higher-value segments. Agricultural exports maintain steady growth as farmers adopt improved practices. Services sectors, particularly tourism, hospitality, and retail, contribute significantly to output and employment. While sectors like property face cyclical pressures, the economy's overall composition supports stable productive gains. External sector performance remains key. Cambodia's export base generates strong foreign exchange earnings. Tourism has rebounded toward pre-crisis levels, bolstering service industries. Remittances from overseas workers provide stable external income that supports household consumption. Together, these external flows enhance the productive use of domestic resources and underpin macroeconomic resilience. Human capital development also contributes to a productive economy. Investments in education and skills training equip workers with capabilities that align with labor market needs. As technology diffusion continues, human capital improvements help increase output per worker. With a youthful workforce, Cambodia benefits from demographic dividends that can support long-term expansion. Challenges remain, but the outlook is informed by ongoing policy responses. Structural reforms are being pursued to improve the business environment, strengthen financial resilience, and enhance trade facilitation. Policy efforts also target reducing barriers for small and medium enterprises, which boost productivity through innovation and employment. While risks like global slowdowns exist, Cambodia's macroeconomic buffers provide resilience. In conclusion, Cambodia's productive 2026 narrative is supported by positive GDP growth, low unemployment, low interest rates, moderate inflation, and manageable debt. The interplay of export growth, domestic demand, supportive policies, and human capital enhancements contributes to a resilient economic environment. Cambodia's performance is defined not by explosive growth, but by sustainable high-productivity expansion that underpins broader economic development. The garment industry, historically a backbone of export earnings, continues to modernize and expand into higher-value segments, increasing productivity through better technology, quality control, and supply chain integration. Agricultural exports also maintain steady growth as farmers adopt improved practices and connect more effectively with global markets. Tourism, after pandemic disruptions, has rebounded toward pre-crisis levels, bringing in foreign visitors whose expenditures bolster service industries and related supply chains. Together, these external flows enhance the productive use of domestic resources and provide foreign exchange stability that underpins macroeconomic resilience. Risks such as global economic slowdowns, commodity price volatility, geopolitical tensions, and domestic policy uncertainties can temper productivity gains, but Cambodia's macroeconomic buffers, including healthy foreign reserves and low public debt, provide resilience against external shocks. Structural reforms aimed at improving the business environment, strengthening financial sector resilience, and enhancing trade facilitation are being pursued to unlock new opportunities for investment and export competitiveness. Policy efforts also target reducing barriers to formalization for small and medium enterprises, which contribute significantly to aggregate productivity through innovation, competition, and employment. In conclusion, Cambodia's economy highly productive 2026 narrative is supported by positive GDP growth near 4% to 5%, exceptionally low unemployment, low interest rates, moderate inflation, and manageable debt-to-GDP ratios that together illustrate robust productive capacity. The interplay of export-driven growth, domestic demand dynamism, supportive policy frameworks, structural reforms, and human capital enhancements contributes to a productive economic environment that sustains expansion even as global and domestic conditions evolve. Cambodia's performance in 2026 is not defined by explosive growth, but by sustainable, high-productivity expansion that underpins broader economic development and resilience. For more data-driven insights and global market breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is Economics FX, where clarity meets strategy. Until next time, trade smart.